This video is to demonstrate the effectiveness under fire conditions of flame-safe XT lumber. The test specimen that we are going to conduct a test on is a 2x6 number 1 southern yellow pine decking that has been treated with micronized copper atoll and flame safe XT fire retardant chemical. This test is being conducted under the ASTM 3806 test. It is the equivalency test for the ASTM E84 30-minute test. That is the ASTM 2768. The Bunsen burner has been set at 1400 degrees, which is typical of the temperature in the ASTM E84 Steinel tunnel test. The ASTM E84, the UL 723, and the NFPA 255 are identical. The test specimen has been subjected to the ASTM D2898. The accelerated weathering test for fire retardant treated wood for fire testing, sometimes referred to as the rain test procedure. The specimen was subjected to 12 one-week cycles, each cycle consisting of 96 hours of water exposure and 72 hours of drying. Water was applied using 4 adjustable spray nozzles positioned above each panel to exhibit a uniform spray over the entire exposed surface of each panel at the rate of 0.43 gallons per hour per square foot at a temperature of between 51 degrees Fahrenheit and 56 degrees Fahrenheit. The water used for this test, that is the water exposure of each cycle, was accumulated in a tank below the specimen. The water was not recirculated. The specimen was dried in a gas-fired, forced-air kiln at a temperature of 136 degrees Fahrenheit to 138 degrees Fahrenheit, measured 1 inch above the surface of each panel. The air movement above each panel was maintained at 72 feet per minute, measured at the center line longitudinally. At the end of each cycle, the position of each panel was reversed within the apparatus and rotated 180 degrees. Those specifications that call for a fire-retardant lumber or fire-retardant plywood that will have exposure to the elements or high humidity condition, FlameSafe XT is the product of choice. The application of this particular type of specimen is typically used on wood decks, balconies, stairs, siding, scaffolding, fencing are notable examples of where FlameSafe XT would be the logical choice. FlameSafe XT is rot and decay resistant when specified with a preservative treatment. FlameSafe XT has a clear finish which can be stained with water-based stain or painted with a latex-based paint or water-repellent sealants. FlameSafe XT can be used on Douglas fir, redwood, oak, western red cedar, and other species of timbers. It can be specified with S4S or rough sawn. FlameSafe also manufactures hardwood plywood, such as birch, oak, mahogany, and numerous other species. FlameSafe also manufactures aircraft-grade plywood and high-strength plywood, marine plywood manufactured from durable face and core veneers with few defects, so it performs longer in humid and wet conditions and resists delaminating and fungal attack used in docks and on boats. FlameSafe can be purchased with AC grade, AB grade, BC, CDX. This test is usually conducted for 4 minutes. However, we are going to go substantially higher than the 4 minutes. We will run this test on the burn for a full 12 minutes. It is notable to add that there is very little smoke development with FlameSafe fire retardant treated lumber and plywood. FlameSafe has the lowest flame spread index in the industry. FlameSafe was tested at Southwest Research Institute, Underwriters Laboratories, Intertech testing, United States testing, the Institute for Fire Safety in Europe, as well as in Australia and Underwriters Laboratories in Canada. Matrix Laboratories is another example of FlameSafe testing. FlameSafe also has the highest design value adjustment in the industry. When specifying FlameSafe lumber, it should be notable to note that it has a design value adjustment of 0.975% and greater. That is, spans, allowable spans for lumber. Tests conducted at Southwest Research Institute on flame-safe lumber indicated a flame spread rating of less than 10 and a smoke development rating of less than 200 and of less than 115 on plywood, where the standard is 450. Quality control monitoring is conducted by Fire Prevention Technologies. Flame-safe lumber can be specified in lengths from 8 feet up to 32 feet long. FlameSafe also manufactures fire retardant I-joists to comply with the ASTM E84 and the ASTM E119 test for hourly ratings. FlameSafe also manufactures various types of coating materials. FlameSafe's Fire Poly FP100 has indicated flame spread of 0 on OSB with a maximum smoke index of just 40. FlameSafe FP100 and Fire Poly FP75E are for interior or exterior use. They are warranted for 5 years or 200 inches of rain, whichever comes first. FlameSafe also manufactures interior and exterior coatings for numerous types of wood species, interior trim, moldings, and millwork. Fire Poly FPCC is an interior-exterior fire retardant coating for plastic, PVC pipes, fiberglass. Tests conducted at Southwest Research Institute for the International Maritime Organization. The test requirement R.A.753 18 ASTM F1173.95. It's a clear coat. FlameSafe also manufactures fire retardant coatings for thatch, for wood shingles, for fabrics, for cardboard and paper. FlameSafe is one of the only companies that publishes its test reports online. For information on FlameSafe coatings, go to flame-safe.com, go to products on your left-hand side, and our products page will come up. You can obtain NSDS sheets, the specifications, in addition to all the test reports. FlameSafe will not sell a product without it being independently tested by accredited third-party laboratories. This test is for demonstration purposes. However, any company that does not furnish a test report from an independent laboratory, you should beware before purchasing a product from them. Many companies make claims that they have passed numerous tests but cannot produce a test report, or they will claim they did one test for all species of wood, which is false, or for different substrates. At this time, I'm going to turn the lights off so that you can actually see the fire as it burns on the wood. We have already conducted the test for more than 3 times the standard. As you can see, the temperature gauge has not reached 100 degrees. That is less than 6 inches from the center line of the burner. It's approximately 50 degrees centigrade. At this point, I'm going to remove the burner. And turn the specimen over. As you can see, there was little mass loss, that is, structural damage to the specimen. FlameSafe's proprietary process actually fills the voids within the cellular structure of wood species. As it is kiln dried, there cross-linking occurs, causing it to solidify within the cells, thereby protecting the cellulosic material of the wood, or various species of wood, and or plywood. Remember, be safe, live safe with FlameSafe, the most effective fire retardant materials available. For more information on Flame Safe, call 1-800-333-9197. Our email address is fireprod@aol.com. That's FIREPROD, all small letters. Or you can go to flame-safe.com for more information.